Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, at present we continue our chapter number 14. What is the name of the chapter? That is the roots and flowers. In this chapter I already explained you about the two types of systems. Those are found in the plants. First is root system, second one is shoot system. Root system, in root system only the roots is there and the roots functioning for the tree or plant. After that the second system is shoot system. We include in this system all parts, those are the visible, means fruit, leaves, branches, stem, bud, flower. These are the parts, those are visible for us, हम इन्हें देख सकते हैं. तो it makes shoot system. We include these parts in this system. After that, what I explained you about the different types of roots. Two types of roots we found, that is taproot and fibrous root. Basically the taproot found in the big trees, and the fibrous root we found herbs, shrubs, those are the small plants. We found fibrous root in that such types of plant. After that I explained you about the special roots, means plant do some modification in their roots for the survive on the soil or on the earth. That is the first type is prop root. Means some plants, roots of some plants come down from the branches and stem and give the extra support to that plant. That roots are basically found in the big trees, banyan, peepal, ficus, these are the trees. After that second root, breathing root. These roots are found in the plants, those are basically found in the mangroves areas, means those are fully covered with water and mud. For the breathing, the roots of dead plants come out from the ground. After that the third one is propagating roots. These roots are found in the strawberry and cherry plants. What is the structure of these roots? These roots from the top of means those parts connect with the soil. From there we found bud. If we cut that bud and grow into other place, we found a new tree. After that the fourth one is water storing plant. Water storing roots store the water for the plants. And these types of roots basically found in the plant, those are we grow in the summer season. Okay, pumpkin, that is the example, watermelon. These plants have water storing roots. Now after that the last one is buttress root. These roots we found in the tropical rainforest area, means we found in such a types of area less soil, बहुत कम मिट्टी होती है. For the roots give the support of the trees. For the support, the roots not going underground the earth or under the soil, it spread on the soil and hold the soil for the support. So these are the special roots. What is the name of this special root? First is prop root, second one is breathing root, third one is propagating root, fourth one is water storing root. Now the fifth one is buttress root. Now student, this thing given on your book, page number 95. Now today we will discuss about this page. Okay, that is the page number 96. And what is given? The shoot system. I already explained you about the shoot system. different parts, name of the parts also given here. So today we read and I explain you about the shoot system. Okay, the shoot system, there are so many parts, but here only flower given. So today we will discuss about the different parts of a flower. Clear? Now what is given on the first line? The shoot is the part that grows above the ground. Above मतलब ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ता है, ग्राउंड से, मिट्टी से ऊपर जो बढ़ता है. It bear stem, leaves, buds, flower and fruit. Yes, what we will see on the tree? Leaves, branches, fruit, flower. There are so many different colors of the flower we found on the earth. Clear? Now let's us learn about the flower. Here only we will discuss about the which part, that is the flower. Now for that I will draw here one picture for you. These are the internal parts, some are the internal parts and some are the outer parts. Clear? Now before that I want to show you something. See here. What is the color of this flower? Red. Now this flower, pink. Now this flower, yellow. Now this, white. Means we found so many colors in the flower. The size is also different and the number of the flower is different in the plant. Okay, some plants bear one flower, एक ही फूल लगता है उसमें, and some are bear countless, means बहुत सारे फूल लगते हैं उसमें. Clear? Now and their colors also different. And which thing or which part is the colorful part of the flower? That is the petal. Petals, we found different colors in the petals. So that give the color of the flower. If the petals are yellow, so we say this is the yellow flower. If the petals are pink, so we say the color of the flower is pink. If the colors of the petals is white, so we say the color of the flower is white. Means petal give the color of the flower. And also the petals have fragrance. Clear? If we smell any flower, so through the smell we identify the flower. This is the rose, this is the jasmine. So the petals have color and smell. Now after that, first we read these lines. Clear? Parts of a flower. All flowers have the same basic part. Means we have one body, means we are the human beings. Our body made up with different parts. Hand, leg, ear, eyes. Same way, if you study the flower, so the flower has so many parts. Clear? That is the different part and they are functioning different ways for the flower. Clear? Now first part, look here. This part. This is the receptacle. And what is the function of the receptacle? All parts situated here. Clear? This is the base of the flower. If you build a building, अगर हम कोई घर बनाते हैं तो पहले क्या बनाते हैं? बेस बनता है ना? Same way, this is the receptacle. मीन्स सारी चीजों को ये अपने अंदर रखता है, अपने साथ रखता है. क्लियर? और हम इसको शुद्ध हिंदी में बोले तो क्या बोलते हैं कि फूल की डंडी है ये, है ना? Now, what is the color of the receptacle? Green. Now, the second part, this part. This part. If you see a bird, अगर हम किसी बर्ड को देखेंगे, फूल की कली को देखेंगे, क्लियर? कैसी होगी? कैसी होगी? इस तरह से होगी, कुछ कवर इस पर होगा. एंड व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ दैट कवर? कैसा होगा उसका कलर? कवर का ग्रीन, ये ग्रीन कलर होगा. एंड इफ वी ओपन दैट बर्ड, अगर हम उस बर्ड को खोलेंगे तो वी फाउंड अ डिफरेंट कलर इनसाइड ऑफ द बर्ड. एक अलग ही कलर का हमें कुछ मिलेगा. दैट इज द पेटल. क्लियर? तो दैट कवर इज सेपल. What is the name of this thing? These are the sepal. Both side we found sepal. Okay, and this is the which part of the flower? Only it cover the bird. When we see found flower in the form of bird, जब हम bird को देखेंगे कली के रूप में होता है फूल. That time that sepal cover the flower or cover the all parts of the flower. Clear? And when we found a flower, जब हमें पूरा फूल मिल जाता है तो that time it give the support to the all parts. Those are found in the flower. And what is the color of the sepal? Green. Clear? First part is receptacle, second is sepal. Now after that, these are the most important part, and name also given here. See the second line. The main part of a flower are sepals. Clear? This part, sepal, and what is the color of the sepal? Green. Next part, petals. Now come to petals. Okay? Petals. See this part. Okay, this is the colorful part. And what is the color of petals in this picture? That is red. And here white, yellow, pink and red. Means the petals are the colorful and very pleasant part of the flower. Next part, stamen and carpel. Look here student, these word not given here, or this word not given in this picture. That is the stamen and carpel. For that I want to show you this picture. Look here, this picture. Okay. Stamen and carpel. Now stamen, and what is the stamen and carpel? We come to on this point. Okay, stamen and carpel क्या है? Now we found two gender on the earth, that is male and female. Clear? Those are the girls, that is female, and those are the boys, they are male. Same way we found two genders in the flower, that is female part and male part. Clear? Those parts comes together and make male part, that is called stamen. Okay? Those part comes together and make male part, that is called stamen. And here 1, 2 and 3 parts comes together and make carpel. Okay, carpel is the female part of the flower. Clear? Two parts in the flower, male and female. The male part is called stamen and the female part is called carpel. Now we separately discuss about this part. First we will discuss about the male part. Male part have two subparts here. Okay, what is given here? See your textbook. Two names here given. This side, anther and filament. Anther and filament. What is the color of the filament? Green. And what is the color of the anther? Yellow. Clear? Means these part, anther and filament, make a stamen. Clear? How many parts in the stamen? Two parts. That is anther and filament. Clear? And stamen is the male part of the flower. Look here, this picture. This part. Okay? This is the yellow part. This is filament and this is anther. Clear? And these parts comes together and make a stamen. Both parts. Anther and this tube-like structure, yellow tube. This is filament. And it makes anther. Now, what is given on the third line? Sepal are green leaves that protect the flower when it is a bud. This thing I also explained you. Now come to this part. Now anther filament, clear? Come to this point. This side. These are the petals. Ovary. Now the second part, this part. If we draw here a rough diagram of the ovary, look here. Stigma, style, and this is ovary. This is the separate picture of the ovary. Okay. This is the carpel, this part. Okay. Ovary, style and stigma make a carpel. Now this is the, what is the carpel? This is the female part of a flower. Now look here. What is the color of the carpel? Look here. The stigma is green. Now after that, style is the tube-like structure. Style tube-like structure होता है ये वाला. And after that, what you see? This is ovary. And we found here eggs are ovules. Clear? This thing given. यही चीज आपको इस पैराग्राफ में दी है जो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. If you read, but these two names not given. Stamen and carpel not given in this picture. Okay? Those picture that picture given in your textbook. Look here. This name not given here. Carpel and stamen. Only anther, filament given, and after that stigma, style and ovary given here. Now once again I reverse for you. These are the parts of the flower. Clear? That is given on the page number 96 in your textbook. This picture showed you all parts of the flower. Now the first part is receptacle. What is the function of the receptacle? It holds the whole flower. ये सारे फूल को संभाल के रखता है. Clear? After that second part is sepal. Now if we see a bird, अगर हम एक कली को देखेंगे तो the sepals cover the all parts of the flower when it found in the form of bird. If we open the sepals, so we found all parts. Those are here I already draw for you. Clear? Now, and what is the work of these sepals? It gives the support or it protect the flower. After that, we found two genders in the flower. That is the male and female. Clear? Both are in the flower. Now the first part is, that is the male part. What is the name of the male part in the flower? The stamen. Clear? Now if we divide stamen, so we will see two parts is there. Here I already draw for you separate picture of the stamen. So we found two parts in the stamen, anther and filament. Tube-like structure is called filament and this bird-like structure is called anther. In the flower, their color is different. If you see the flower of hibiscus, आप गुड़हल के फूल को देखोगे तो you found the color of the anther is, or color of the filament and anther is yellow. Clear? Now anther and filament is the part of stamen, and what is the stamen? Stamen is the male part of flower. Clear? After that, come here. Second part is female part. Now, female part, I already draw for you here. The female part include with ovary, style and stigma. The lower part here is ovary. And what is the ovary? Ovary is a part that produce eggs or ovule for the fruit. Clear? Now after that, this tube-like structure. Look here. This tube-like structure is called style. Now the upper part, this is called stigma. And these three parts, ovary, style, stigma, comes together and make carpel. These names given in the third line. Main part of a flower, sepal, petal, stamen and carpel. This name given. So what is the carpel? Carpel is the female part of a flower, and which part include in this part? Stigma, style and ovary make a carpel. Clear? Which part? Stigma, style and ovary make carpel, and anther and filament make a stamen. And what is the stamen? Stamen is the male part of a flower, and what is the carpel? Carpel is the female part of a flower. Clear? Now petals. Petals are the colorful. These part give the color of the flower, and also we get fragrance from this part. Clear student? So this is the structure of the flower. Now once again we read this paragraph and after that we continue the lecture. Parts of a flower. Okay, hold your book with you. All flowers have the same basic part. The main part of a flower are sepal, petals, stamen and carpel. Sepals are green leaves that protect the flower when it is a bud. Petals are bright and colorful. Yes, they sometimes have a pleasant smell. They attract insect to the flower. Stamen is the male part of the flower. It is made up of the filament and anther. Look here. The anther produce pollen grains. Carpel is the female part of the flower. It is made up of the stigma, style and ovary. The ovary produce ovules or eggs to make fruits. Pollen grains from one flower are carried to another flower by wind, water or insects. Clear? Now come on the page number 97. Uses of a flower. What is the uses of flower? Flower have a special place in our lives. First point, flowers are used as decorative item in the houses, offices and restaurants. Flowers are used for worship. Yes, for the puja we use flower. On the special occasion, we also make rangoli with the flower. Some women wear flowers in their hair. Yes, मम्मी जुड़े में लगाती है ना फूल. Garlands of flowers are used in wedding ceremonies or to welcome guests. Yes. Some flowers are used as herbal medicine. Extracts from sweet smelling flowers are used for making perfume, soap and incense sticks. Cloves are dried flower buds and saffron is the pistil of the saffron flower. They are used to flavor many dishes like biryani. Vanilla essence used in cakes and dessert also comes from a orchid flower. Petals of some flower are used to make herbal colors called gulal during holy celebration. Rose water and rose petals are used to flour kheer and firni. Okay student, this is the uses of the flower given. I hope you read at least 5 times this page. And you also know about the uses of the flower. Clear? So we don't discuss this thing. But I want to tell you this thing, page number 96. At least you read this paragraph 10 times at home. इस पैराग्राफ को आप बार बार पढ़ोगे and see this picture. Okay? So you automatically know the structure of the flower. Clear? Once again, these are the parts of the flower: receptacle, sepal. Receptacle and sepal give the support the flower. Clear? And sepal fully covered the flower when it found in the form of bud. Now the male part, stamen, anther and filament make a stamen. This is the male part. Now come this side. Female part, that is called carpel. Stigma, style and ovary make a carpel. This is the female part. Okay student? I hope you understand this structure and read the chapter at home. Now here the chapter number 14 explanation part over. हमारा 14 chapter explanation यहाँ खत्म हो चुका है. Okay? So I hope you read the chapter at home and if you have any confusion, talk with me. Clear student? So I finish my lecture here. In the next lecture I send you, we will discuss about the exercise what is the given on the page number 98. Now read this chapter at home. I hope you prepare yourself for the examination. Your syllabus is chapter number 10 and 13. Chapter number 10 is mapping the neighborhood, and the 13 is, what is the name of the 13? That is the where plants live. Clear, student? So prepare yourself for the test. Chapter number 10 and chapter number 13 and chapter number 11 and 12 not in your syllabus. And when your exam? 14, your first paper on the 14th, Monday. Clear? So prepare yourself. 2 chapters, 10 and 13. Clear? I hope you do well in the exam. Bye bye.